welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the unboxing of Oneplus 7 Pro 8GB and 256GB ROM with the mirror grey color. So here unboxing the box. First of all we are removing the wrapper around there, and here we go, moving that, and here you can see the box and the go beyond the speed, their tagline, and then opening the box. Here you can see 256GB ROM and 8GB RAM and 7 written over here with the Pro over there. And opening the box, first of all we have the Oneplus logo on the top of that thing, and here in this we have the TPU case included with some quick guide and some pamphlets. So here you can see the TPU case, and it's flexible and durable. And opening this we can see the SIM ejector tool over there, and OnePlus stickers and never settle sticker. So keeping this aside, we have some more pamphlets including the quick start guide and warranty things. So here you can see the guide, so SIM ejector tool. And keeping this also aside, now we have the device itself, and it weighs around 206 grams. That is really like more than S10 Plus or iPhone XS Max. So here we have one more message, and opening this up like that, here you can see the message by the CEO of OnePlus, and there is a sign of him. Keeping this aside, now we have the charger over there. In this we have the warp charge, the brick, and it supports 30-watt fast charging, which can charge your phone in less than 1 hour 20 minutes approximately. And here we have the USB cable, and it is a type C as with all the OnePlus phones. Keeping this aside, we don't have anything else in the box, just that. It would have nice if they would have included the type C earphones. It would have been better. Now removing the wrapper around the device, you can see the 6.67 inch Fluid Amoled display with the 90Hz frame rate support. And here you can see the glass bag. It sports Gorilla Glass 5 on both front and back with the triple camera setup, including the 48 megapixel normal main camera. And here we are going to set up the in-display fingerprint sensor. So you can see, first of all you need to keep your thumb, and it would take more time than like normal capacitive fingerprint sensor. So here I'm setting up the fingerprint sensor. You can see it would take roughly around 50 seconds to set up the fingerprint sensor, or maybe less, it depends. So here we have set up the fingerprint sensor, and now it's asking again for the edge input, so it can like detect from the edges of your thumb, and it will really improve the speed of the unlocking of the device. So here it is taking some time, and here we go, it's almost here. And yeah, we have done setting up the fingerprint sensor. So here you can see the testing the fingerprint sensor. It's really fast. It is not like the capacitive one, but still it is faster, as the OnePlus has improved the area of the fingerprint sensor than compared to the OnePlus 60. And here you can see it opens really quick, no issues there. It is really reliable. So popping out the front camera, here we can see how the front camera comes out. When you press the, yeah, you can see here we're going to switch the front camera. Yeah, you can see the selfie camera popping out there. It roughly takes around 0.5 seconds to come out from there, and like